In this video, I'll show you a simple built-in Windows setting that can help reduce laptop fan noise in just a few steps. First, click on the Start button and search for Control Panel. Open it. Now, look at the top right and change View By to Large Icons. From the list, click on Power Options. You'll see your current plan, usually Balanced, recommended. Click on Change Plan Settings next to it. On the next screen, select Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and find Processor Power Management. Double-click to expand it. Here, you'll see Minimum Processor State. Lower the percentage slightly for On Battery and Plugged In. Once done, click Apply, then OK. This reduces processor load, which helps keep the fan quieter. And that's it. Simple and effective. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy laptop fixes. Thanks for watching.